Hello everyone, welcome back to RPIIT Academics. Today's topic is about ketone bodies. So, ketone bodies are transported from the liver to other tissues. The three ketone bodies, each synthesized from acetyl-CoA molecules, are first one acetoacetate, second one acetone, third one beta hydroxybutyrate. So there is a causes for ketonuria. Basically, what is ketonuria? The ketonuria means is that there is a excretion of ketone bodies in the urine. So there are the causes of the ketonuria, for example, fever, anorexia, gastrointestinal disturbances, fasting, starvation, and severe vomiting. For the detection of the ketonuria, we have the test. The method is Rothera's test for acetone and acetoacetic method. The principle is that acetone and acetoacetic acid develops purple colored complex with sodium nitroprusside in alkaline medium. Then there is a Hart's test for the detection of beta hydroxybutyric acid. Now there is a procedure for Rothera's test. In Rothera's test, we only identify two ketone bodies, that is acetone and acetoacetic acid. The procedure for Rothera's test is that we have to take 5 ml of urine in a test tube and saturate it with ammonium sulfate. After saturation, we have to add 1 crystal of sodium nitroprusside and mix it very well. After mixing sodium nitroprusside, we have to run liquid ammonia very carefully at the site of tube so as to form a layer on the top of saturated urine. Then positive test will occur when there is a formation of purple ring at the junction of fluids. And if there is not the presence of purple ring at the junction of fluids, that means there are the absence of ketone bodies in the urine sample. So now in this diagram you can see the result very clearly. We have two test tubes. The right one is showing the purple color ring, right? The upper portion of fluid is a liquid ammonia, okay, and in bottom of the tube we have sodium nitroprusside and sodium ammonium sulfate. When they mixed with each other, then if there was the presence of ketone bodies in the urine sample, they will react to it and form a purple color ring. This purple color ring, the presence of this purple color ring will indicate the presence of ketone bodies in the urine sample. And you can see at the left side tube there is no presence of any kind of purple ring. That means there is an absence of ketone bodies in the urine sample. In the totally right position, you can see there is when we disturb the tube, the purple ring get disturbed and the structure of purple ring get distorted, okay. So you do not have to disturb the ring, just take it into the rack. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe our channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thank you very much.